Hey, what's going on, guys? If you couldn't tell, it's pretty cloudy out right now. It's been raining like all day, and it finally cleared up when I got home. But today I'm going to be swapping over the steering wheel on my 2018 F-150 with this bad boy right here. This steering wheel is a lot nicer. I didn't realize how much nicer the leather steering wheels were for these trucks. One thing I do not like about this truck, obviously, is the rubber steering wheel. I don't like it. It's too chunky. One thing I don't like about, well, another thing I don't like about this truck, which isn't, you know, this truck in particular's fault, but I think it's like all Fords. I don't like how the steering column can only come down this far. I like to have the steering wheel parallel to me. That's just personal preference there. One thing I enjoyed about my last two trucks. And I mean, it's just me being kind of petty there, but it's not something major, but it is something that I really liked about my last two trucks that I really do miss having this one, but it's not that big of a deal. But while we still have a little bit of daylight and it's not raining, I'm going to go ahead and get this processor going. All right, guys, before I forget, I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the ground terminal on the battery just so the airbag doesn't go off on me while I am doing this process here. Should be good. All right, there we go. All right, guys, now that we got the battery disconnected, we're gonna go ahead and take something like an Allen wrench, or maybe you got like a really skinny screwdriver, something where you can get into the hole right here on the side of the steering wheel. You see that? And there's gonna be another one on the left side. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the Allen wrench, put it in here, kind of push and wiggle it. Try to get the airbag to come out. Gotta be gentle with it. All right, out she goes. All right, guys, from here, I don't know if you can see it very well, but we have two little pins that connect the airbag to the steering wheel. We're going to go ahead and take something like this flathead screwdriver here, or if you have like a pick of some sort, get in here and pry the orange push tabs up to disconnect. Okay, that's one, and that's two. All right, those are disconnected, and don't know if you can see that either. Got that red little tab right there. I need to undo that one as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This bad boy's disconnected. Go ahead and set it up here. Out our sockets. All right, guys, now that we got the airbag off, you're gonna need a 15/16 socket to get this off. Unfortunately, I do not have a ratchet with an extension long enough to reach it, but I do have a drill, so I'll go ahead and try that out. Just like that. That is off. We'll set the drill down. I'll go ahead and get this bad boy off. Oh yeah. Out with the old. In with the new. Bad boys in. Out. All right. We'll go ahead and do that in reverse order. Go ahead and start that bad boy. Grab our drill. Anywhere. Like a dad ratchet strapping something down. That ain't going nowhere. All right. Hopefully I didn't pull any of that wiring too hard, because then I'll cry. And y'all don't want to see me cry over camera, because that is horrible. Push that upon y'all. All right, let's go and hook the battery back up. Oh shit, I didn't say anything. Yep, that won't go anywhere either. All right, let's go ahead and try it out. Yep. Phone connected to Bluetooth for a minute there, had to disconnect it, but all the buttons and stuff seem to be working. I'm glad that it does. But yeah, that's all I really have for you guys in this video. You know, watch the whole process. I'm glad it went pretty smooth. Honestly, the biggest pain in doing all that was just trying to get that red clip for the airbag undone without breaking it. I really like the leather steering wheel a lot. I like it a lot better than the my vinyl or rubber one, I believe. Yeah, it's not perfect. It has a couple little creases in it, but hopefully, I mean, that might come out with time. Maybe not. I mean, either way, it is just a steering wheel. But overall, I am thoroughly pleased with it. It's thinner too. I like that it's not as chunky as the rubber one. It fits my hand a lot better. So I'm happy about that. Plus, it's really making the truck come together, slowly but surely, making the truck nicer. And actually, in the future, I might be replacing these bad boys right here, getting something with a mirror. But only time will tell. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and let me know what else you'd like for me to do to the truck. But that's all I got for you guys in this one. See you in the next one.